Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy watching this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Okay, let's get into the video. Today I'll be opening a box from ThredUP, which is an online consignment store that allows you to buy and sell used clothing and accessories. ThredUP offers many rescue boxes that you can purchase. These boxes contain items that either have been on ThredUP's website for a long time and have not sold, or were sent in by people and were not accepted by ThredUP. I decided to try the 5-pound DIY jewelry box, which cost me $34. Let's see what's inside. So first we have a pair of orange bangles. Next we have a black bead and pearl bracelet. A statement necklace with flowers. This is a bit tangled, so we'll do that later. An interesting necklace with a ribbon. A cute bracelet. An interesting necklace with wooden beads. This is actually a J. Crew necklace. Another necklace with a ribbon. Another interesting necklace with a ribbon again. A pair of earrings. Interesting bracelet. A long necklace. Another bracelet. This actually is a J. Crew necklace. A pretty statement necklace. Another bangle. A very heavy, interesting necklace. Another necklace with beads. This is really heavy here. I really like the color of those beads. This is really pretty. I like this. A cute ring. Another necklace. This is one earring. That's kind of cute. There's the other earring. A bracelet. Another bracelet. An earring. The other earring to that. This is a black bead and silver bead necklace. This is a very heavy silver necklace. Another necklace with a ribbon. I think these are real rose quartz beads. A gold tone chain. Another necklace. An earring. A bracelet. This is cute. Another pair of earrings. This is actually a hair accessory. A pair of earrings. A ring. A Juicy Couture necklace. Pair of earrings. A necklace. A Leah Sophia bracelet. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys know that brand, Leah Sophia. A pair of cute earrings. Another pair of earrings. Another pair of earrings yet again. A small ring. Another small ring with an infinity symbol. Another small ring. Another necklace. A bracelet. Pair of earrings. Another pair of cute earrings. Another pair of earrings. A single earring. Another ring. Pair of copper earrings. I think it's copper anyway. Okay, here we have a silver chain. It's sterling silver. And we have the necklace from before. The chain is silver, but the pendant is not. Okay, everyone. See you soon.